This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for the 1st of November. Wow. Before you know it, they'll be playing Christmas music on the radio. They probably are today. And this is the beginning of the fall tornado season. And speaking of that, we need more trained spotters. You know that. And we hope to see you at the BJCC for our annual once-a-year storm training. That is coming up a week from Saturday, November 10th. We start at 9. You don't need to register. Don't need to pay anything. There's no cost. You just show up. And once we are finished, you get to go to the Alabama International Auto Show absolutely free. This year we got a great session on dual polarization radar, how to use those products from Kevin Laws of the National Weather Service. All right, we'll check the Skycam shots at 5 a.m. What a ridiculous hour of the day. That's our parish Skycam in Walker County. Getting set to cook those biscuits over there at the Jack's. The sky's clear and it's cold. We're in the 30s. There's a look at downtown Clanton in Chilton County, and up north there's a look at Decatur up in Morgan County, where they're sitting at 32 at 5 o'clock. Same look, big trough in the east, ridging off to the west, and look at those numbers at 5 o'clock. A lot of folks are below freezing over north and east Alabama, and that was sure a good freeze warning issued by the National Weather Service. That's exactly where they issued that. It's warmer to the south and west, where Tuscaloosa's got 40. And around the continent, we're watching that very cold air over Canada, but the upper winds will not allow that south in the short term. Watch warning map, freeze warnings for much of the deep south as the growing season of 2012 is winding down. Rain for the next 5 days, not much. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. Monday evening of next week at 7 o'clock. And this shows amounts of generally a quarter inch or less, and that would be with showers on Sunday. And again, it does look like a light rain event. And one more month to go in the tropical season, and things are very quiet. Let's check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. And again, there's your high amplitude pattern with ridging to the west and a trough over the eastern U.S. And down below that, just gorgeous. Sunny today. We'll warm up into the middle 60s. Tomorrow, we hit the 70s, low to mid 70s. The GFS is showing 73. The sky will stay sunny. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, hey, we'll be in the upper 70s. That'll be the warmest day of the next 7 days for sure. We stay dry. Sunday, we'll go back in the upper levels, and again, this is the look at 500 millibars with the relative vorticity, and you can see some energy coming through here. The better dynamics are up north, and again, that might squeeze out a little light rain, but that's not very much. I mean, that's suggesting really amounts under 1/10 of an inch here with limited moisture, so don't expect a big rain event. And then on Monday, a trough begins to carve out over the east. We've got energy that's over around Nebraska and Iowa that'll be coming down and sharpening up that trough. But again, that first batch is out of here on Tuesday. Or Monday looks cool and dry. I think now we can just drop any mention of rain on Monday. Highs will drop to about 60. We'll go to Tuesday, and there's the nice trough developing over the east. And again, the thickness values are coming down. Tuesday will probably start the day in the 30s. The high should be in the low 60s with a pretty good north breeze. Wednesday of next week, a nice day, a dry air mass. Again, 30s early. High should be in the 60s. And Thursday, a week from today, we stay dry and cool. So basically, all of next week looks cool and dry after that chance of light rain showers on Sunday. Let's go out there a little longer here. This is the, 12th of November. That's a pretty good-looking trough coming in. And down below that, that's suggesting a pretty healthy little batch of showers and storms. That might suggest a chance of strong storms. This is the tornado season. Keep that in mind. And then the end of the forecast on the 16th, we've got ridging here with a big trough in the west. Big upper low just off of Cape Cod. And down below that, we'd be kind of in between all of that. And if that's right, the weather would be relatively tranquil. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. Don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Does your weatherman have a face for radio? ABC 3340's James Spann may be hair challenged, but he sure is entertaining, especially when he teams up with everyone's favorite radio duo, Rick and Bubba. From the radio airwaves to the small screen, it's the Rick and Bubba TV show 5 days a week. Watch Rick and Bubba along with ABC 3340 Chief Meteorologist James Spann, Monday through Friday from 6 to 10 a.m. on the Nashville Network, provided by ABC 3340.